Hardwood floors, timeless, elegant, and a symbol of enduring quality in any home or business. Their natural beauty and warmth create an inviting atmosphere, making them one of the most popular choices for flooring. But over time, maintaining that stunning appearance can become a challenge. Many turn to popular products like Rejuvenate, Mop and Glow, and Orange Glow, believing they're doing what's best for their floors. Unfortunately, these products can do more harm than good. At TruCare, we understand the importance of preserving the natural beauty of your hardwood floors. That's why we offer our expert wax removal service, designed to safely and effectively strip away years of buildup without damaging the wood. With the proper equipment and chemistry, our skilled technicians can bring your hardwood floors back to life. We remove the wax and residue that's been hiding their true potential, revealing the rich, natural beauty beneath. Once restored, your floors are not only easier to maintain, but also more resistant to future damage. Don't let improper maintenance products take away the elegance of your hardwood floors. Trust TruCare to restore their beauty and ensure they last for years to come. Because when it comes to your floors, only the best will do. TruCare, where your floors are our passion.